Hello friends, welcome to Examitian Smriti Notes for Biotechnology. In today's video, we will be looking at the previous year question papers for the subject Animal Biotechnology and Advanced Animal Biotechnology. And each subject has a different course code. You can check the code and then look into the paper. So let's start with Advanced Animal Biotechnology, which has the code BIOT 714. My main aim of uploading these last year question papers is that so that you can just go through these question papers and have an idea of what type of questions does basically come, because the pattern remains the same and most of the time the questions are also repeated. So do use these papers before going for your exams. Try to practice writing 6 marker questions, 10 marker questions and 20 marker questions in different ways. Try to mention your answer in points, draw relevant diagrams wherever necessary. Do not write in big paragraphs. Use colorful pens to highlight your answer. All these things are very important in Amity. And do attempt every question. Whatever you feel like can come into that answer, do write it and elaborate on it. It will help you getting in some marks at least. Next paper is of Animal Biotechnology, which has the course code BIOT 211. And do not feel that any question is out of the syllabus. All the questions are from the syllabus, just they are given in the other form. Almost all of the answers are mentioned in my notes. If you face any difficulty in finding any answer to the question, just write it in the comment box and I'll help you where the answer is and what exactly you should write it. There are 3 sections, A, B and C. So do manage your time and write the answers properly. Before going through any paper, do go through the course code. I'm repeating it again and again because that is the main thing in Amity. The subject name may be same but the course code may vary. So do go through the course code, and if the course code is same then the syllabus is also the same. I hope these question papers are useful to you, and if you have any problem do let me know, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.